What's RV living really like? Come on, we're going to show you.
Are you ready to go for a ride? So we thought we would give you a day in our life, but I don't think a day is enough. So we're going to give you several days of how we work every week on living full-time in an RV. First off, we have to go to the grocery store because we always eat our vegetables and we're out. So we got to go to the grocery store, and we have other errands that we need to take care of also. Mist is terrible.
Yeah.
This is what 100% humidity is like.
Definitely need some avocados. We ate the last one last night.
See how they rock hard? Yeah, they rock hard. You have to wait a few days. Want?
3. Okay, so what's the price?
78 cents each.
So 78 cents each for avocados. What are you paying where you're at? Leave us a comment and let us know.
All right, so now we need to go to the post office so I can mail these postcards. So yesterday when we were at the USS Lexington, both of our dads were in the Navy, and so we picked up a couple of postcards, and I'm going to take these into the post office so I can get them off to them and they can see where we were yesterday.
We're going to do the laundry. So that's one of our daily, not daily chores, but at least weekly. So there's a big deal in the community about, do I get a washer or dryer or not? We've always opted not to, and part of the reason is this is my section of the closet, and that is where the washer dryer prep is. So if we were going to have a washer dryer in our rig, I would not have that section to hang my clothes.
He'd have to store his outside somewhere because I'm not going to share mine.
Somebody else has the other 2/3, 3/4 of the closet all to herself. But you know, hey, it is what it is. I knew that going into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to strip the bed. And we're not going to bother showing you that part because that's the easy part.
Right.
But we will show you making the bed because that's a whole different kind of wrestling match. And somebody asked us, how do you make the bed in one of those? It looks like it'd be kind of hard. It is, but there are some tricks maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
That, you know, might be able to help you out when it comes to making your own.
Yeah. So let us know in the comments how you make your bed in your RV, because they're all different, and like you said, it is a wrestling match. So we choose to use the laundry mats here at the RV park when we have the opportunity to. What we do on our very first day when we arrive at a park is we scope out the laundry room. Is it clean? And how much does it cost? because all of the washers and dryers just tell you how much they are usually on the machine itself, and if they're clean. We've only had to use a commercial laundromat 3 times since we've been on the road since April of 2020. That's not too bad.
Now, I bet you never expected to see me and Alice wrestling in the bedroom.
Good Lord.
But that's about what you're about to see. Is because making a bed in an RV is a wrestling match.
In all of our 33 years of marriage, this is the only time I can actually get Gordon to help me make the bed.
That's not true. I've helped once or twice before. So for us, we have found, this is not an RV king. This is a regular king size mattress.
Yep.
This is actually our Sleep Number king size. We have found that it typically helps to slide the mattress down, because from here I'm about in the middle of the bed. So for me to be able to reach all the way up there and tuck anything in, not going to work.
Tucking it in? Ha ha ha.
Right.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready. So we slide it down a substantial amount, and then we just start wrestling with it.
The hard part is done. Voila! We're not a super fancy bed people. We don't have all of those fancy throw pillows that take up space. This is it.
You're fibbing. They're in the closet. Everybody's already seen them. They watched the RV tour video.
Yeah, but they came with the RV. I didn't buy them.
You didn't buy them, but you got them.
All right, this is the extent. 1, 2, 3, and 1 for my sister. Done.
Who needs that many pillows?
I know, right? I didn't buy them. They came with it. All right, that was the bed. Whoa! Now I'm sweating.
Like I said, it's a wrestling match. Although we make it look easy.
Did we make it look easy?
I think we made it look way easy.
Way easy? Should we do it again?
No, once is enough. What do you think? Did we make it look easy? Let us know in the comments below. Okay, so we showed you a lot of the stuff that we all do, whether you live in sticks or bricks or in an RV. But being in an RV, there are definitely some things that are different, such as managing wastewater, your gray tanks and black tanks and things like that. Now, if you have any questions about how to manage your black tank, I did do a video on that a while back. I'll put a link right up there. And, you know, that goes into my next point, which is YouTube. So that adds more to our RV living experience than just RV living, because we have to spend a lot of time working on videos and trying to figure out what's next.
There's a lot of planning that goes into every week. And not only just the YouTube stuff, it's where are we going to be next month? Where are we going to be next week? Right. Because there's a lot of planning in that. And living in a house, you don't have to worry about that because you're not moving your house. But the upside to all of this is that every month, for us, we do it monthly. We move to a different place. And then what? It's like a vacation, because we get to go and explore a new area a lot more often than if I'm trying to move my house.
You gotta get your chores done first there, young lady.
Oh, yes. I gotta go and do the dishes. The dishes need to get done.
So much like a regular sticks and bricks living, all the stuff that you do in that, you still have to do when you're living in an RV. There are some more maintenance things that you have to do, or different maintenance things.
Different, yeah.
You know, in a house, there's certain things in a house that you have to do as well. But an RV, it's different. You know, you've got hydraulic fluids, you've got tires and brakes and air conditioning and heaters and all kinds of stuff.
Right. And when was the last time you washed your house?
Right.
Oh yeah, we did that last week. It takes almost a full day to wash the truck and the RV. And we're not going to bore you with all of that. Everybody can wash an RV, but it's a lot of work. I mean, because like I said, when was the last time you washed your house?
Right. So the bonus is, when you're done with all your chores and all those honey-do lists have been checked off, you get to spend your weekend or weekdays, which we do because there's less people,
right,
out exploring places like SpaceX.
That place, amazing.